So I'm gonna show you how to replace the group head controller top part. So you will need a Torx T10 screwdriver and Phillips head screwdriver. It's PH2, it'll do the job nicely. And this one is actually old version, so it has got like different type of the screws, but you will be able to take the screws out with the T10 Torx screwdriver that we provide with the machine. But I have to use this one. So unscrew the 5 screws under the group head. Okay, that's 5. And now you will be able to take the top part like this. So put this sort of cloth on there, something like this, and then take the 3 screws on the top with a Phillips head screwdriver. Take those out, and then now you can't take the cover out slightly, and then 2 insulators. Then you can assess the, ignore the tear on here, so you can just see them properly, then you can do the job anyway. And then you can assess the connector, so you may want to take this one out. So put the finger on there and then wiggle it slightly, then you can take it out like this. And then you now need to take this cable out, so from here first, and then put this one on here, and then pull it out from here. That's it. And put this one something like this. And now you need to take this ground cable out. This one is also the Phillips head screw, so take it out. It has the washer on there, so if I take this one here, you can see the washer on here, right? So now you just need to take the insulator and the internal cover, and then 2 insulators as well, 1 and 2. So the group head is completely out from the machine, and now you need to take this top part out. For that, you need to unscrew those 4 Phillips head screws, and then you need to take this whole thing out, something like this. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. And on this side, the ground cable has the washer as well, so this one is the washer, so don't lose it. And now you'll be able to take the top part, just press in the middle, that's it. And then get the new one, bring it here, and put this one like this way, and then put the group head controller top assembly on this way. So this icon should face this way, so it's gonna be sit like this, and then flip it over. So now it's just backward, so put them on here and then screw them in first. That's it. And then lastly, this one here, and then put the ground cable on it. So prepare the ground cable like this, put the screw into the washer, and then the ground cable, then put it on here like this and screw it in. The ground cable should go through this hole, the square shaped hole first, so something like this. That's it. And then put it on here, and then this one as well, so this one goes like this shape. So the ground cable should go through the squared hole. That's it. And flip it over. There you go. So this protruded one should face down like this. So the cable goes through the hole like this, and then yeah. There you go. That's it. And then it now goes into this one. It goes through this hole here. And then now we need to put the screw in here. That's it. And then this group head controller power cable should go through the hole here. And now you need to connect the power cable. So you just need to take the covers now. That's it. So now put everything back. And now put the 3 screws back in. And then just organize it again. And put it back like this. Then you have to organize the cable nicely, not too squeezed on the edge of the group head. Something like this. There you go. That's it. Then press it in. And then put the 5 screws back in there. So you have to line the holes up nicely. That's it. Don't put screw 1 in all the way. You have to just get it in the position and then try another one now. So once every screws are in slightly, now you can tie them all the way in. That's it. So now you need to just turn the machine on to the test.